Hello guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick how to verify your passport on Ryanair app. Let's go. So you have already booked a flight with Ryanair, and verifying your passport is quick and easy through the app. So first you want to install the app, of course. You want to open the Ryanair app and log into your account, which you can find on the screen. Next is go to My Bookings and select the trip you want to check in for. Tap Verify ID or add passenger details, then choose Passport as your ID type. Next, use your phone's camera to scan the passport photo page. Make sure the image is clear, well lit, and fully visible. The app will automatically read the information and verify it. Double check that all details like your name, passport number are correct before submitting. So once verified, you are now set up. You'll see a confirmation screen on your passport that is now linked to your booking.